Welcome back to Blâst Gist, my wonderful people. As it stands right now, they say that Uwazuruike, who is the leader of the Mozob, a man don't come outside though. He don't come tell the general public of Igwe Mado that how corrupt Nigeria government and this Justice Binta Nyako. He said that these people will never release Nnamdi Kanu, that he will take a strong hand of Igbo rising up against this injustice. Without that, nothing will be done. As we get that information, now we can hear that the BLA, what they call Biafra Liberation Army Group under Master Simon Ekpa, they say this men they don't carry Nigeria armor tanker where they call Igbo side. They say they don't carry the team Yakata. As it be like this now, no be small thing happen for there, which we go show now for this video. My people, as they watch, make sure say they share so that other people go to get the information. Now I'm going to play with Uwazuruike talk for here before we jump enter inside the next matter waiting for a hand.
Application going at the same court, High Court, Federal High Court, the entire in adjournment for about 1 week or so. Brumka Court, Binta Nyako. Yani na National Security Advisor Puru. Uta oshi kuya. Ka Binta Nyako semna. Nangana galien them within 90 days and come back to prison. That happened. Mane notu na agwanti mwatu na ekwu okwu maka experience inwere ndị na-enwe ihe ha ma onye na-aga for prison before ma ọ fọkwa the child with treason and treasonable felony ọ pụta ụlọ ọnụ kenya n'ọhịa sịga na a na-ekwu self-determination blah 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 no na amaro nwanyị ahụ na-aga na adọkasị ahụ Binta Nyako onweghị powers release Nnamdi Kanu onweghị powers ọ ma release ya. As a matter of fact, ịma nke bụ eziokwu, Tinubu ama release Nnamdi Kanu unless with the support of the security chiefs and the National Security Advisor. Also get ka wasazire gị. Tinubu ama release Nnamdi Kanu without the support of the security chiefs and National Security Advisor. Na gwaka somebody might have na ihe gbasara ihe because I got going through the process. Some people can say, I want and our self-determination. Self-determination. Court, upper court of appeal, as it got happen on the Kanu. Court of appeal, they higher than the Federal High Court. Has it got happen on the Kanu? Why Panalapo ya? Or Supreme Court to see the Nnamdi Kanu. How long Supreme Court see the Court of appeal, as it got happen on the Kanu? Arapo haya, Kenundi Jia. Kenundi Jia. Be the Pana Attorney General, Minister of Justice. Ndia ni na came with powers to release Nnamdi Kanu. Ndia Odibo National Security Advisor. You want to have security no ya naka. And when he can discuss with the president today regarding security, the National Security Advisor man no ya. Mo ga no gidi ko ya. Ya bata o ya ka president ge bole ni na chi naka. Mgbe unu bịa na court na ama janja na me ndị a na-eme ihe ụmụntakịrị. The judge, Binta Nyako, local federal government ọrụ a na-akpọ ya salary. Recuse yourself. I say, recuse yourself. The chief judge, I say, continue with the case. Yeah, continue with the case. He's an employee. Chokato ya no. Kikane bishi aga. Kini home. Fine. It could be easier when the Kaduna is to Attorney General. Minister of Justice ga corner now. The gun office here. Fine is the public place. My name is Kataga and National Security Advisor. If I give me a chone, give me Kagina. Who want anything to do with you? Mana. Oh yeah, we see me. Here was for security no matter. I know but I say, well, Tinubu, there is the one because now the commander in chief. Mana. And when your game was suddenly released such caliber of person without the agreement with the National Security Advisor, security chiefs. Or when he wanted the consent of the National Security Advisor. Oh my man. Oh my man. Yeah, not the reason I'm the cano. Macron my hog agwaya. Security situation in Nigeria not Tinubu na account dia kono na. No one have where ya oge me. On the have say uba. Any na di go care na southeast. Kere this onya we say nothing will happen. He will release him. But only convince Tinubu Bob the task na. Kere this na the cano. When is oga papa National Security Advisor? I say, hey, bam. No. Okay, maybe here now. Bam. And when okay. You saw the bam. Task, shape a rope at Harcourt. Bro, Medugri. And when he came about it.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, now so you now say more carry on. However, I want to use this opportunity to talk to Igbo leaders and also the followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that this battle is no longer a battle of Ejakashese. No, no be to shanty to it don't reach when things will start to happen for Southeast so that these people will rethink and go for the peaceful way. Because Nigeria government are no longer taking this thing in a peaceful way. They want violence. They still believe in that war which they fight alongside with Ojukwu and Biafrans. They still believe in that. So if Nigeria have to be in one country and Nigeria have to unite, that means the government have to dialogue with the Biafrans in order way to ensure peace in the region. Not to beating around the bush looking for who to arrest or who to castrate or who to hold. Why by the Northerners are busy recruiting Boko Harams, people who don't bite people, kidnap children, do many things, put them for the Nigerian military. So this injustice is written all over. But let me tell you people one thing. It takes one thing to happen for a community or for a village or for people to rise. And I always say this thing. Don't think that if all Biafrans make up their mind to say, today we want to gain our freedom, you cannot stop them. If you did not stop them before, you cannot stop them now. They have become more stronger than ever. So this is my message to Nigerian government. Now I want to play the video of what happened between the Nigerian army and the men of BLA. Watch the full video.
Sir, I confirm on I'm going to busy lawyer that thing. You watch, I got on China, I confirm good in China, good in. China going to buy the good debe who I believe not got caught, sir. Because here, okay, I'm going to she got no coach busy lawyer. Say what, check out how the chain. Low fear got this side. Then cause I got here. The no longer who she got. The longer who she got, who she busy lawyer. See what I'm more busy at the tin. I'm going busy, I'm more busy at the tin here. You watch, you got who the channel front. You who the channel got front. Meaning that not the channel was rather there, I got see front again. So here I will see the end. Then now for a goes on a busy look this side. I busy look around. Ya kwa ngozo no busy lo. Ukiwa na busy ngamo to kurechena.
Fone go HIV. Hello.
Pale kuye. Ni unya men. Ya men. Siam. Pale de pede tu. Siam. Pai siam. Siam.
February 9, this Sunday.
Yeah, men don't work today.
Blood money.
Aqua,
the government.
You see am.
This guy they pass of the amount tanker. They come. The amount tanker have the second abiabo muchupo kikabiama. Here cha pass. More than make the dolly amount tanker mahawa. Ndara.
Men dey.
I dey wait for now. Even this one at the beginning of my work. Hope I go catch you one day.
Abi.
May you no worry. I go.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, as you dey watch, make sure say they share am. No forget say see there for Blâst gist. As you dey watch, make sure say they share. So that other people gonna get the information. You get why?